Hello students, welcome to grade 7 mathematics, fractions and decimals, part 5. Today we will learn about division of fractions. The method of dividing two fractions or a number and a fraction is very simple. Just remove the division sign by multiplication and the fraction on the right hand side is inverted. That means we take its reciprocal. 7 divided by 2 upon 7 will be equal to 7 into 7 upon 2. We have changed division sign into multiplication sign and we have taken the reciprocal of 2 upon 7 as 7 upon 2. And this is equal to 49 upon 2. Now this is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into a mixed fraction. That means 2 divided, when 2 is dividing 49, we get 24, 1 is remainder and upon 2. Alright, then 6 divided by 4 upon 7, this will be equal to 6 into 7 upon 4, which is equal to 42 upon 4. This can be cancelled with the common factor 2. So we get 21 upon 2. Again, divide 21 by 2, we get 10. 1 by 2. Next question. 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. This is equal to 3 upon 5 remains same. Division changes to multiplication and 1 upon 2 will change to 2 upon 1. This is equal to 6 upon 5, which is again improper. So we convert it into a mixed fraction, which gives me 1 by 5. D part. 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. This is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 3, which is equal to 5 upon 6. It is a proper fraction, so we need not change. Next, we are taking a mixed fraction and dividing it by a improper fraction. Here again, first convert it into improper fraction. This gives me 31 upon 6 into 2 upon 9. 2 and 6, they can be cancelled because they are in the numerator and denominator. Notice that we can do this thing only when there is a multiplication sign. If there is a plus or minus sign or division, we cannot cancel like this. Right? So 31 upon 6 into 2 upon 9. 2 cancels 6 here, 3. So we have 31 upon 27. And then further converting it into a mixed fraction. 27 ones are 27, 4 is the remainder upon 27. F part. 2 and a half divided by 3 by 5. This is equal to 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 3, which is equal to 25 upon 6, which again gives me 4 1 by 6. G part. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. This is equal to 11 upon 5 divided by 6 upon 5, which is equal to 11 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. 5 and 5 cancel, so we have 11 upon 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. Dear students, now you are in a position to solve exercise 2.4 of NCERT easily. Now let us discuss some word problems based on addition and subtraction of fractions. First question that we have chosen is, Samira purchased 3.5 kg apples and 4 3 by 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of the fruits purchased by her? Total weight of the fruits obviously will be the sum of these two weights. So that will be weight of apples plus weight of oranges, which is 3.5 plus 4 3 by 4. 3.5 gives me 7 by 2 and 4 3 by 4 gives me 19 by 4. Here we have one more method of adding the fractions. We make the denominators the same. So if I multiply 7 upon 2 by 2 upon 2, I will have 14 upon 4. And here already I am having 19 upon 4. Now since these are like fractions, if I just add the numerators, I get the answers. Add the numerators upon this common denominator. So this gives me 33 upon 4, which is equal to 8 1 by 4 kg. Exercise 2.1, question number 6. Sahil wants to put A picture in frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeters wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeters wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? For this, definitely, if the picture is bigger than the frame, then we have to subtract it, right? So 7.3 by 5 minus 7.3 by 10, which gives me 7 5s are 35 plus 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10, which is equal to, here you take the LCM of 5 and 10, because 10 is the multiple of 5, therefore the LCM is going to be 10. So 10 here, so 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 gives 2 into 38 gives me 76, minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 into 73 is 73. This is equal to 3 upon 10 centimeters. That means 3 by 10 centimeters of the picture should be trimmed. Next question, number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Now for this solution, first of all, we should know who worked longer. For that, we will be comparing both the fractions. Let us write them as 7 upon 12, comma 3 by 4. Now we will be able to compare them by two methods. One method is that I make the denominators same and compare the numerators. Second method is just cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, what do we do in this? 7 into 4, comma 3 into 12, right? So 7 remains here, 4 shifts here, 12 shifts here. So we have 28 and 36, which gives that 36 is more than 28. Another method, here we make the denominators same. 7 upon 12 remains like this. Here 3 by 4 into 3 upon 3. This implies 7 upon 12, comma 9 upon 12. Now this shows that 9 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 12. So this implies that 7 upon 12 is less than 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 was corresponding to Weber. Therefore Weber worked longer. By what fraction was it longer? Now for this, I will have to take the difference of the two. I know this is greater. So 7 upon 12 will be subtracted from this. This is equal to 9 upon 12. We have converted it into 9 upon 12. From here I have taken 9 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12. This is equal to 2 upon 12. Which can be again cancelled and I get 1 by 6. That means Weber worked 1 by 6 hours longer than Michael. Let's take word problem on multiplication of fractions now. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Solution is water consumed by Vidya is 2 by 5 of 5 liters. This means 2 by 5 into 5, that is equal to 2 liters. Therefore, water consumed by Pratap will be 1 minus 2 by 5, because the whole is 1 and 2/5 is consumed by Pratap. 2/5 is consumed by Vidya. Therefore, the water consumed by Pratap will be 1 minus 2 upon 5, which will be equal to 5 minus 2 upon 5 by taking the LCM. This is equal to 3 by 5. That means Pratap consumed 3 by 5 of the water. Next problem. A car runs 16 kilometers using a liter of petrol. How much distance did it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? This is very easy. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is 16 kilometers. Therefore, the distance covered in 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol will be 2 3 by 4 into 16. This is equal to 11 upon 4 into 16. Now 4 and 16 can be cancelled and I get 4 here. So 11 into 4 is equal to 44 kilometers. This is the answer. Now I think all of you will be able to handle the problems related to addition, subtraction and multiplication of fractions. Thank you, students.